Yo guys, welcome to Jacques Tech channel once again. I'm gonna say thumbs up to you guys. How are you doing? Hope you're all doing well. If you're not doing well, please let God heal you, and if there's anything which is stressing you in your life, let God or Allah or any other Lord Jesus Christ that you're praising over there, let him humble you and make sure your situation is good. So today we are basically going to learn how we can speed up the speed of our laptop with a USB flash while we are using it. So guys, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel so that you can receive all videos I'm going to upload about tech issues and other issues concerning computer settings and force settings. This method I'm going to show you guys doesn't work for a computer with SSD, so only those with hard drives will work. SSD this video is not for you. So let's run straight to our computer right now. So here you're going to open File Explorer, and that's after putting in your USB flash drive in your laptop. So after opening File Explorer, you're going to go scroll down and go straight to your USB, and so that is my USB. And then you're going to right click. After right clicking, you're going to go to Properties. You can either click Alt plus Enter and then go to Properties, and then after there you're going to see the section called Ready Boost, but you have to first confirm whether it is the flash drive you really placed. So after confirming that, you are basically going to see on the app icons there is something called Ready Boost. So when you click on Ready Boost, the initial option is do not use this device. So you are basically going to see what I've written here: speed up your system by utilizing the available space on this device. So you're going to click on use this device, and then it actually shows you that while the device is being used for system speed, the reserved space will not be available for the storage. So the space that you're going to use for speeding up your laptop, it will be reserved inside the flash disk. So you can't use it in any other thing because it's being used for speeding up your laptop. That's what it's trying to mean. So after reading and understanding that, you're going to click on what we call apply. So when you click on apply, you will click, and Windows will try to run to configure now to how to now speed up using the flash disk, and then you press enter after it's done. And then yeah, that is it guys, that is it, and you're done. Now the next question you're going to ask yourself: how are you going to know that really the flash is being used for Ready Boost? How do you know? That's the next question. Now you're going to open back File Explorer, and then you open back your flash disk that we used. And then when we open it, you're going to see you can clearly see that folder Ready Boost. It's a cache file which will be created inside your USB flash to show that it's being used for speeding up your laptop. So guys, this is the video of how to speed up your laptop speed using a flash drive. Don't forget to subscribe, and thanks for watching this video, and I hope to see you later guys. Bye bye.